Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Drive for faster document collaboration. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Google Drive, open your web browser. Type in drive.google.com and hit enter. If you already have a Google account, click on the Go to Google Drive button. Enter your email address and click Next. Type in your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional security checks. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Google Drive homepage. To create a new document, click on the New button located on the left side. Select Google Docs from the drop-down menu. A new document will open in a separate tab. You can start typing your content immediately. To collaborate, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the document. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Choose their access level, viewer, commenter, or editor. Add a message if you'd like to include some context. Click Send to share the document with them. Your collaborators will receive an email invitation to join. They can click the link in the email to access the document. To see who is currently viewing the document, look at the top right corner. Their profile icons will appear next to yours. To leave comments, highlight any text and click on the speech bubble icon. Type your comment in the box that appears and click Comment. To resolve a comment, click on Resolve after discussing it. To download your document, go to File, then Download. Choose your preferred file format, like Microsoft Word or PDF. Your document will be saved to your computer in that format. For offline access, click on the Settings gear in the top right corner. Select Settings and then check the box for Create a Google Docs shortcut on your desktop. Now you can access your documents anytime, even without an internet connection. With these steps, you're ready for effective collaboration using Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.